Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 21. Arjuna said, "What are the marks of him who has crossed over the three gunas? O Lord, what is his conduct and how does he go beyond these three gunas?"
Chapter 14, Shloka 21. Arjunavacha kairlingaistrīn gunanetān athito bhavati prabho kimacharak katanchaitān trīn gunan adhivartate.
Chapter 14, Shloka 21. Arjuna gets a chance to ask these questions regarding the nature and behavior of such a God man. In the previous shloka, it was explained by the Lord that the state of bliss experienced at the moment of realization of the self is not a mere temporary cessation of sorrows of life, but it is a vivid experience of the changeless, infinite nature. Hence, it was said that one experiences the state of immortality even while living in this very same embodiment. It is indeed a rare experience to be a God man upon the earth. Arjuna's question sound like childish inquisitiveness, but Lord answers all the questions of the blunt intellect patiently. These indicates the duties of true Brahmana in answering exhaustively all the questions raised by the skeptic or even the non-believers. Every seeker has the full freedom to seek and to understand properly the logic of philosophy. Understanding alone can give rise to a true appreciation, and unless we appreciate an idea, we will never be able to live it in our day-to-day life. Gita teaches a way of life essentially to be lived. Arjuna asks three definite questions. 1. What are the marks by which a man who has gone beyond the influences of these three gunas can be recognized? And 2. What would be in that state of perfection his relationship with the world outside, and how is his behavior among us who are still under the persecutions of the three gunas? And lastly, 3. How does such a man of perfection conquer his inner confusions and entanglements and attain spiritual glory? Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.